can you just put it on if I decide later, or is
No.
it something that has to be put on now?
I can put them on whenever you want. They're just a pain in the ass to put on. So which one you don't like? You don't like this one? You don't like this one?
They both look the same to me, really. Well, I can't look through the plastic on that one.
Open it up.
But, I mean, it's not... But this is all going to be seen, right?
Yes, it is. Except for the rubber part that goes over the front.
Right. There's a rubber part, and then you have the other. So, I don't know. Like I said, yeah. This one looks better of the two.
This one has machine marks on
Yeah, that one has the machine marks.
So much for American-made China parts. Yeah, no, made in China. Where's that one made at? Taiwan?
China.
China. Yeah, same factory.
Just a different machinist.
It's a different factory.
Yeah. So, do you keep the covers or no?
Yeah, I got a cover.
You do?
Yeah.
You seem reluctant to pull it out.
Well, it's a piece of crap. Getting your stupid covers. It's back here in a dark hole.
That you need a light for?
No, I got a light right in my hand. Yeah, let's see here. This box at this. Here, he wanted one of these too. We'll give him a two for. There it is, right there. He ain't gonna like this one either, but that's it. I think that's the one I got anyway. Yeah, that's like the only piece of crap I got. There you go. That one's used.
Mm-hmm.
You know what's used? Because it didn't fit for shit. See how it doesn't fit? See how it don't fit?
Yeah.
They don't fit very well. And then they get in the way back here at the primary cover. So they usually caulk everything out, and they pretty much work like crap. See, like this one here? This one we're going to use? The one of the stupid big ass nuts I hate. See how they line up perfectly? Look at those holes. Perfect alignment. You can't ask for better alignment than that.
Wow.
You just spend about an hour trying to make them fit, and it looks so crappy when you're done. You just take them off, throw them back in the pile. But you never know. It might work on your bike. Everything else works.
Yeah.
Shouldn't be a problem. These are the planar inspection covers here.
Oh, nice.
I don't know. I haven't looked inside the bag yet.
This one, I mean, it's kind of close there.
Kind of.
But yeah, you would definitely need some work to get on there.
Yeah. You know, this has already been worked on, though.
Yeah.
Your call. Here's our primary seal.
Well, this has the rubber grommet has a chrome cover too, right? There's a.
That's the outer cover. It's any much sealer. This. Bring what you got. Need some super grease. What's our super grease going to be this week? I don't know what's in this one. What's inside of here?
Not sure.
What about this other one?
Well, that's gonna be
I don't know what's in this one. I think it's got blue grease on it again.
Yes. So all that's going to be shown.
Heavy. It fell down. It almost fits.
Is this the only one you have, Tatro?
Yep. So now we got here. You can always order up another piece of crap.
Mm-hmm.
Seals in.
I think these actually would have lined up, but the way this has been rubbed here, it's kicked them out away, which it's making, you know what I'm saying?
I know. We had to make the bolts in there. The bolt heads take up space. Remember how it wasn't in a primary? I'd use the open end, but you can't use an open end on that. You can't get to it. You come in right through here. You've got to use Allen bolts, which I don't like. But if you use that, you probably have to use Allen bolts because hex heads just don't fit. But anyway, that can be worked on a little bit if you want to try to use it. Okay, where's the fork? Right here. Where's the other fork? Right next to it. Okay, we got to make this work here now. So this has to be taken apart. So if you see how this works, this has to be able to pivot. That's why this roll pin's at an angle. See how it pivots like this here? If you have it like this, it wouldn't pivot. Plus it would fall through the oval in the fork. The fork has an oval in it. The roll pin would get bound up in it. So it always gets 9 degrees from what that is. So I got this misalignment here. And then also this has misalignment in here. Okay, now this here is just, you got a spring with a pin. So you just kind of compress it like this. Like that, the pin comes out. It's hard to do with your fingers as you're trying to show everybody. Of course it hurts like hell. See what it does to your fingers? See how sharp those edges are that I'm pushing with like 30 pounds of pressure on them?
Yeah.
They're not too sharp, are they?
No, they're pretty sharp, actually.
They are pretty sharp.
They are sharp.
Oh. Is that when my fingers are still tingling?
Yeah.
Oh. Guess what I gotta do now?
Reverse.
Do it again. Get my fingers tingling some more. Where's the pin at? On the side. Okay. Yeah, look at that.
I got 2 marks.
No problem. I got a lot of marks in those fingers, but it's 2 deep ones, yes. Okay, so now it's back on there. See how it flexes? So it should be good to go. Alright, so now we got a new fork installed. We didn't check to make sure that fits though, did we?
No.
Give me your starter bendix. Where's your junk pile at? Over there now. My fingers still tingle. Got tingle action on my fingers. Okay, so you gotta make sure that fits in there. Does that fit?
Yeah.
It must be. That's a good one then. All right. You know what that means? We're 1 step closer to assembly.
All right.
Okay, now I gotta find out what kind of grease is inside this container. Because it ain't this. Ooh, look at that. That's some brand new stuff.
Wow.
It looks like the same stuff, but it's different. This was a Kindle grease, I think.
Huh.
Big bucket of it. Okay, so we got a little bit of lubricant on that. Too much lubricant. Look at that mess I got over me now. Where's this go? You wipe your finger off, you don't transfer grease to where you don't want it to be. Alright, flip over. Okay, see this rubber here? This has to stick through the primer now. The original Harley one does not have the rubber on this outer side. It just has a straight umbrella. Doesn't have the lip on it. So now we have to push the lip all the way through somehow. Usually requires something like your fingers yanking on it. There you go.
There it is.
Now you gotta rotate this around where it's supposed to be, like that. And this goes inside. Now the problem with this is it might leak around here, but now somebody put oil all over it, grease, so it's gonna leak like a sieve. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and lube up this right now. See how we did that? Now we're gonna wipe this crap off that somebody put on here. Who did that? I don't know who would have done something like
I'm
that.
not gonna point any fingers.
No pointing. There's no evidence of who did that. Okay, so now wipe this thing down. Now we know this is a chrome surface here. We know this stitching ass primer is chromed, and we know they match perfectly, so there won't be any leakage of oil. Correct?
Right.
Perfect. So just to make sure, we're going to lubricate it with this. You know what this is, don't you? It's that stuff. So everybody's going to ask me what I use. Read the label. Then we take this dingle-dongle thing here. It's bothering me. We'll go like this. What was that? Yes, I didn't get any on the chrome. Yeah, that's going to interfere with that paint I put on my finger earlier. I'm going to have all kinds of stains on my fingers today. Okay, guess what your job is? Is it going?
Mm-hmm.
Whoa, look at that. Some pretty good stuff there. Okay, don't get too carried away. Yeah, all right. Okay, make sure it still works. It does. Good. Where's my impact knocker? It's someplace. What happened to it? Find my impact knocker. Probably on the workbench down there or somewhere. There you go. I need my hammer right there too. I need a non-marring surface that absorbs my shock.
That'll work.
This is the one. Is that tight enough for you?
Yeah.
I mean, notice I use my clean rag to clean the chrome with, so that should scar it up really good. Alright, now it looks like that. And we got a fork in here that doesn't work now. Yep. Now the fork is tight.
Is it pinching? Did it pinch it?
Pinched it. She's a pinchy, boss. It's not free. See how it's tight?
Mm-hmm.
You know what that means, don't you?
You gotta loosen it up.
That means it doesn't work. We get to redo everything. So we can either leave it loose and hope Loctite holds it, or we can fix the problem. Which one are we going to do?
Fix the problem.
We can figure out what the problem is, though. So there's our screw. So do you see where the sealer was sealing?
Mm-hmm.
You notice that wasn't even hitting right here? Yeah, over here you can see better. See, it was bypassed the sealer completely. That's a precision matched surface there. Okay. So where's the original one at?
Did you just throw it away or do something with it?
I did something with it. It's right here. I'm gonna walk on the tools on the floor. So I'm gonna wipe all the grease off. See how these surfaces stick up a little bit here? Now we gotta measure this one. See how these ones are below the surface?
Yeah.
Different manufacturers. So I'm gonna measure this one over here. You couldn't see anything because your video guy sucks. Okay, looks like it's about 925-ish, give or take, wherever you measure it. So how thick is this one? 965. Do you think that might be the problem? Now, the other problem is it looks like it's well soldered all the way around here. So that means I can grind these flush, because right now they're sticking up 20 thou on each side at least. And considering that we're more than 20 thou per side high, that's probably why we had issues with this thing. I didn't feel like cleaning that twice. We'll only have to clean this. So how thick does this need to be?
925.
Give or take. We'll pretty sure make that one.
You want this?
Yep.
Probably came from China with the rest of it.
Guess what's in the way? The other half of the workbench we didn't clear. 5 minutes ago, 20 minutes ago. Up everywhere. Cold?
It's chilly back here.
I couldn't tell.
It's chilly.
Alright, half the workbench is full. Where's this going to go? Right there, the file. Alright. See, I got access now. Where'd my part go, though? That's over here. Okay, this side we can grind flat. Like that.
Yeah.
floor in my way though. Okay. So how much did we take off?
Oh, what do you have? 9. It's probably down to 9.
That was
40?
about 25 we took off. Yep, 40. 41, 46 over there, 44 over there. What number do we need?
925, give or take.
Give or take. Now, considering we still could move it, that's probably all we really need to take off. Because it did move. It wasn't.
It was moving, it was just sticky.
Yeah. I just took off 25. That was quite a bit. I think we probably got enough off. So we're going to do a quick mock-up and find out. Look at that.
That wasn't so bad.
Close the lid up.
No.